Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about: the Joomra Pillow Slippers for women and men. Are you ready to discover why these are hailed as the best flip-flops for sand available? Let's dive in. Introducing the Joomra Pillow Slippers, the ultimate combination of comfort, style, and functionality. These aren't just your ordinary slippers. They're a game changer when it comes to lounging, strolling, or even hitting the beach. So, what makes them stand out from the rest? Let's find out. Crafted from skin-friendly durable EVA material, these slippers are super lightweight and breathable, ensuring your feet stay comfortable all day long. But what truly sets them apart is the innovative design features. The deep heel cup and concave vamp, coupled with a roomy toe box, wrap around your foot, providing unmatched support and protection. And with a 1.7-inch thick sole, every step feels like walking on clouds. But here's the kicker. The anti-slip textured style of these slides prevents foot slipping and falling, even on sandy surfaces. So whether you're by the pool, at the beach, or just lounging at home, you can step with confidence. But wait, there's more. These slides are not just for the beach. They're perfect for all seasons and occasions. From the bathroom to the bedroom, from the living room to the spa, these versatile slippers have got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say about their experience with the Joomra Pillow Slippers. With thousands of positive reviews, it's no wonder why these slippers are flying off the shelves. But before you rush to get your pair, here are a few things to keep in mind. Remember to machine wash them for easy maintenance. And follow the unique 3-step process to custom fit your cloud slides perfectly. So, whether you're lounging at home, hitting the beach, or simply running errands, make sure you're stepping in comfort and style with the Joomra Pillow Slippers. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy stepping!